How to find message and reply settings on Instagram on iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find message and replies uh, on Instagram on your account on iOS phone. After you click on your profile account and click on these three lines here, click settings and privacy, and now as you see you will see message and story replies. Click on it, and as you see here you can manage your message controls and your story replies. You can also show activity status, and that's it for today. If you like video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thanks for watching until the end.